Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We just bought a brand new Craftsman heat gun. We're going to open the box and give you a full review on it. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, at the Craftsman workstation now, and we just picked up a Craftsman heat gun. And it comes in this little box right here, and it does not come with a battery, tool only. Battery and charger sold separately. It's very important to know prior to this purchase. Take a look at the icon. There's no charger and there's no battery. And it comes with a 3-year warranty, as you see there. And it is within the same power drill family as all these parts right here, meaning the battery can be used on all of these. So in the event that you have any of those and you've got batteries, guess what? You're in luck. Those batteries are going to work for your new heat gun. And on the very back, let's talk about a few features. Here is the heat nozzle. As you can see right here, that's where all the heat comes out of. It has an integrated support stand. In addition, following down here, it has a compact design, which is really nice. And it looks like this trigger and grip will be very comfortable. It's got the famous Craftsman marking there. It has a 950 degrees max temperature, and that's hot. In addition, it heats in 7 seconds, and take a look at that trigger. As you can see right there, it has a little safety tab, and that will need to be pushed up in order to engage that trigger inward to produce the heat. And here are some additional specifications on it. Voltage 20 max, max temp 950 degrees Fahrenheit, 510 Celsius, runtime up to 15 minutes, and the weight of the tool only is 1.2 pounds. Here's the back of the box. Let's go and open it. With the box open, here it is all wrapped up. Let's go ahead and pull it out and remove it from the plastic wrapping. Here it is out of the packaging and box, and in relation to my size hand, that is very comfortable. Here's that little tab I was telling you about. By pushing it up, you can engage the trigger. If you don't do that, you cannot engage the trigger. Little safety feature, pretty cool. There's the battery connection point and your instruction manual. And it came with these 2 little adapter tips. And this one I like best because you can actually loop this on here and it goes on pretty easily. As you can see, I can do it with one hand, and looks like the heat comes out and loops around and helps manage this portion right here and keep it nice and warm during your project. And this one is just a rectangular opening here for a different style project. But let's go ahead and install a battery. We're going to use that one. And DIYers, here it is again. I'm going to give you a 360 view of it. As you can see here, cool thing about these little batteries, it's got a push button and it can tell you the charge remaining on your battery, and this is a full battery or fully charged battery. Pretty awesome. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Very cool. Oh, and I feel it. Wow. Very nice. That's really neat. But I know that's not what you want to see, DIYers. You want to see it in action. Let's get started. We're going to work on an electrical wiring system of a boat. Let's go outside and get started. All right, DIYers, on the boat now, and this entire switch panel is intermittent. Here's the horn, the nav lights, the dock lights, etc. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Even if we have the key on and the engine running, these are weatherproof, and we are going to connect the bottom end of the inline fuse to one side of this, and the other side will have that red wire that's already down in the battery compartment feeding in and securing. These have a little notch right there, and you can see the internal guard sticking up, which is your stopping point for each wire on either side. Pretty neat design. Grab some strong pliers and crimp that wire in place and squeeze pretty hard. Again, you do not want that wire ever coming loose. And that is on there. From here, we have already spliced the red wiring that came out of the bottom portion of the old inline fuse. Feed it inside the opposite side of the connection. Use those same pliers to crimp that wire in place. Before moving forward, inspect it and make sure both of those wires are not going to come loose. And heat each end of the connection point, and it will melt as it heats up and wrap itself around that wire to create a watertight seal. And as you heat this up, rotate it to heat it evenly. And you will notice as it heats up, it will shrink in place onto that wire. And check that out. As you can see, it has created that seal, and this will alleviate any moisture, rust, or corrosion buildup over the years. That's a must. We will do this side now. And as you can see, that is melted and created that watertight seal. Alright DIYers, we are back, and that was a successful DIY project, and we are also rebuilding an outboard Mercruiser engine, both the upper unit and the lower unit. A lot going on, as you can see these schematics here. And we also have a review scrolling above right now on this brand new impact wrench, and that is awesome. We love it. And in addition, I've already got in my toolbox and grabbed an additional battery. So that is all we wanted to show you DIYers. And in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on assembling a 6-foot Craftsman bench, as well as the storage drawers and installing a vise, definitely check out the links down below in the comment section, as well as the description section. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. This thing is cool.